Hey guys, quick video. I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. Now we're going to use the YouTube app directly. So you just click on it. Now, if you're logged into your account like I am, you need to come here and click on this icon here, right at the top of the channel. This is if you haven't created a channel before. See here, it says create channel. We're just going to click there. And we need the name of the channel, the picture. Let's see if we can just find a random picture. Okay, let me just put a picture of myself there, and here say save profile picture. Right now we need the name of the channel. I'm gonna call the channel Marston, and it's already suggested a handle for me, but let's just say Marston, maybe gameplays, right? That's it. Let me just move that and just click save, and the handle I can say Master Gameplays. It's already done that, so let me see, click save, and all I have to do right now is just click on create channel, and that's it. My YouTube channel has been created. Now if you come back here, we can see that Master Gameplays, the channel has been created. Now let's view the channel. As you can see, there's no videos yet, but if I want to upload, I can also get another app called the YouTube Studio app, right? Let me just show you what it looks like. This is the YouTube Studio app right here. Right now, when we look at the channel that's been created, right, if you come here under manage videos, if we upload any videos, we should be able to see them there. You can also create videos here. Right now, if you go back here, this icon here, these are our stats, right, our analytics. If we so that we see our views and our watch hours, they'll all be located here. Here you can edit the channel. For example, I did not add a description. If I want to add a description, I can simply post it here. This channel is about gaming, right? So you can put anything you want here on the description. Just click save at the top when you're done, right? And privacy, keep all my subscriptions private if it's turned on, and that's it. You also have the option to change this background image on your channel. You can take a photo of that. I don't have anything right now. So pretty much this is how you create a YouTube channel on your mobile device. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.